Construction is moving faster and smarter. Now, there's a system designed to keep up. The Trim-Ply System by Engineered Wood Solutions. As a supplier, we've combined tall wall framing, TrimJoist, and mass ply panels into one streamlined building system that's more cost-effective than traditional framing methods and benefits all trades. Tall wall framing eliminates rim boards, allows for one layer of sheetrock fire assembly, and lets joists hang directly from the top of the wall, simplifying the structure and helping crews spend less time on ladders. TrimJoist is a trimmable open web joist that provides the freedom of a custom truss, but installs like a wood eye joist. This eliminates soffits and creates more space for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. A 48-foot mass ply panel installs in just 5 minutes, helping crews frame up to 20,000 square feet per level in a single week. The result? Lower labor costs, reduced general conditions, and faster project delivery. The future of framing is here with the Trim-Ply System. Let Engineered Wood Solutions supply your project today.